If you and your students have school-assigned Gmail accounts, or if your personal email account that you would like to use is a Gmail account, then you can sign in with your Google credentials. Please note that if you use Google Classroom, as opposed to simply having a Gmail account, please see the video about signing in with Google Classroom in the description. Click Account Sign In, and select the Google icon below. A window will pop up from Google asking you to validate your Google credentials. Once done, your account will have been created and you will be signed in. Be sure to sign in with this method whenever you want to access your product. Be aware that if your school has purchased products for you to use with your Google account, you will log in with the same method by clicking the Google icon and entering your Google credentials. By logging in with your Google account, the product portal will be aware that you are a teacher belonging to the school or district that has purchased the product. More information about accessing products that were purchased for you can be found in the link below.